Sometimes you need two images and you only have one output. In that case, you can use passive or active splitter. I use Raspberry Pi's Model 3, but this model has only one HDMI output. Therefore, I use active HDMI splitter. Power supplies, one for both splitters. From this original power supply I use only connector, and one for both Raspberries. Input is alternately current and output is direct current 5 volt 3 amps. This means 15 watts. Two micro USB cables as power supply for Raspberries, but I do use only connectors. One on-off switch, some old box for power supplies, and cable gland. Somewhere in the box, maybe here. Micro USB card. Micro USB card into SD card reader, and I now load newest operation system.